This is my popsicle stick version of the Lighthouse of Alexandria. The Lighthouse of Alexandria was one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. It was constructed around 280 BC and badly damaged by a series of earthquakes, becoming ruins by 1323. Since there are no pictures of the real lighthouse, I'm going by what I found on Wikipedia, which is that there. And that is the result of my attempted recreation. So yeah. Anyway, moving on. When I built this, I built it with the fireworks already inside it, and in the center tower portion got one of these fountain cones, Dragon of Wrath, and then throughout the structure there are 3 of these fused together. So there's 100 each, so 300 firecrackers. So ideal is I'm going to light this wick and it'll hit the firecrackers, go up there, and then set off the fountain. So without further ado, let's relight the lighthouse. That is the smoldering remains of the lighthouse. Thanks for watching.